Warning. To get the most out of this vocabulary listening session in a relaxation mode that approaches hypnosis, we recommend that you first listen to the normal video about this vocabulary. Listening to the normal video dedicated to a specific theme will allow you to familiarize yourself with this vocabulary, or even look up for unknown words. Thus, after this preliminary work, your brain having already become accustomed to this vocabulary, listening to this video will be much more effective. Now let's begin the relaxation phase.
Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down in a quiet place away from light and noise. Once you're settled, feel free to adjust your position if you need to take a deep breath. Fill your lungs and hold it for a second. Now, exhale and close your eyes. Let yourself relax. Let go of the superficial tensions in your body and let your shoulders relax. It's good to relax today, to prepare for learning English. Now place your awareness on your eyelids. You know that you can relax these eyes wonderfully. You know that you can relax these eyes so deeply that as long as you choose to, keep this relaxation. The eyelids will simply no longer function. And when you know that you have done this, keep this relaxation and give it a good try. Sure, they don't work. And notice how they feel. Really test them. That's okay. That's good. Stop trying and let yourself relax even more. The quality of relaxation that you have created in your eyes is the quality of relaxation that I would like you to let go of in your entire body. So take this relaxation and bring it to the top of your head and send it down your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Let go of every muscle, let go of every nerve, let go of every fiber, and let yourself drift much more deeply relaxed. There you have it. Now let's really deepen this state. In a moment, I will ask you to open and close your eyes. When you close your eyes, send a wave of relaxation through your body so quickly that you will allow the physical part of yourself to relax 10 times deeper. Want it and you will have it. Let your eyes open and close your eyes and really let go. Feel your body relax even more. You are doing very well. In a moment, I will ask you to open and close your eyes again. At the moment you close your eyes, double this physical relaxation. Let it really develop in you twice as deeply. Let your eyes open and close. deeper, relaxed. In a moment, we will do it one more time. And notice how this will happen all by itself as you learn how simple all of this is. Double it at least. Very well. Let your eyes open and close and let go. That's good. That's good. Now the body is really relaxed, so let's let the mind relax. That's really what we want to do. When your mind is relaxed, you can really achieve anything you can imagine within certain limits. Of course, a relaxed mind that will allow us to listen to this new English course and better understand its vocabulary. Let's go now.
Disease and health. Blood pressure, the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. High blood pressure can cause heart problems and stroke. Low blood pressure can cause dizziness and fainting. You should check your blood pressure regularly and keep it under control. I feel weak, a phrase used to express that you have a lack of strength or energy. You may feel weak due to illness, hunger, fatigue, or stress. I feel weak and tired. I think I need to rest. Keep water down, a phrase used to indicate that you are able to drink water without vomiting. You may have trouble keeping water down if you have nausea, stomach flu, or food poisoning. I can't keep water down. I keep throwing up everything I drink. Contagious, a word used to describe a disease or condition that can be spread from one person to another through direct or indirect contact. You may be contagious if you have a cold, flu, chickenpox, or COVID-19. Stay away from me. I'm contagious. I don't want to infect you. To be laid up, a phrase used to indicate that you are unable to do your normal activities due to illness or injury. You may be laid up if you have a broken leg, a back pain, or a surgery. I'm sorry I can't come to work today. I'm laid up with the flu. To have a pain, a phrase used to express that you are suffering from a physical discomfort or ache in a part of your body. You may have a pain if you have a headache, a toothache, or a cramp. I have a pain in my stomach. I think I ate something bad. To operate, a verb used to describe the action of performing a surgery on someone. A surgery is a medical procedure that involves cutting, removing, or repairing a part of the body. The doctor had to operate on him to remove his appendix. Surgery, a noun used to refer to the medical procedure of operating on someone. It can also refer to the place where surgeries are performed. She had a surgery to fix her heart valve. She is recovering in the surgery ward. To be getting worse, a phrase used to indicate that your condition or situation is deteriorating or becoming more severe. You may be getting worse if your symptoms are increasing, your pain is intensifying, or your test results are showing negative signs. He is getting worse by the day. He needs urgent medical attention. To lose appetite, a phrase used to express that you have a reduced or no desire to eat. You may lose appetite if you are sick, depressed, or stressed. She has lost appetite since her husband died. She barely eats anything. To have a rash, a phrase used to indicate that you have a skin condition that causes redness, itching, or bumps on your skin. You may have a rash if you are allergic, infected, or irritated by something. He has a rash on his arm. He must have touched some poison ivy. A course of antibiotics, a noun phrase used to refer to a prescribed amount and duration of taking antibiotics. Antibiotics are medicines that kill or stop the growth of bacteria that cause infections. The doctor gave me a course of antibiotics for my strep throat. I have to take them for 10 days. Fire away, a phrase used to invite someone to ask a question or say something. It can also be used to encourage someone to start or continue doing something. Do you have any questions for me? Fire away. I'm ready to answer. To squeeze me in, a phrase used to request someone to fit you into the busy schedule or agenda. You may ask someone to squeeze you in if you need their help, service, or attention urgently. Can you squeeze me in for a haircut today? I have a wedding to attend tomorrow. Malaise, a noun used to refer to a general feeling of discomfort, illness, or uneasiness. You may experience malaise if you are sick, tired, or unhappy. He felt a malaise that he couldn't explain. He just wanted to stay in bed all day. Ailment, a noun used to refer to a minor illness or disorder. You may have an ailment if you have a cough, a sore throat, or a fever. She suffers from various ailments, such as arthritis, asthma, and diabetes. Pharmacy, a noun used to refer to a place where medicines are sold or dispensed. You may go to a pharmacy if you need to buy or refill your prescription drugs, over-the-counter drugs, or other health products. I need to go to the pharmacy to get some painkillers for my headache. Remedy, a noun used to refer to a medicine or treatment that cures or relieves a disease or problem. You may use a remedy if you have a cold, a wound, or a stomachache. He tried various remedies for his insomnia, such as drinking warm milk, listening to soothing music, and reading a book. Rehabilitation, a noun used to refer to the process of restoring someone's health, ability, or function after an illness, injury, or addiction. You may need rehabilitation if you have a stroke, a spinal cord injury, or a drug problem. She underwent a rehabilitation program after her car accident. She had to learn how to walk and talk again. Physiotherapy, a noun used to refer to a type of therapy that uses physical methods, such as exercises, massage, or heat, to treat diseases, injuries, or disabilities. You may need physiotherapy if you have a muscle strain, a joint pain, or a nerve damage. He had physiotherapy sessions to help him recover from his knee surgery. They helped him improve his mobility and strength. Immunization, a noun used to refer to the process of making someone immune or resistant to a disease, usually by giving them a vaccine. A vaccine is a substance that contains a weakened or killed form of a virus or bacteria that causes a disease. She received immunization against measles, mumps, and rubella when she was a child. She is protected from these diseases. Inoculation. A noun used to refer to the act of injecting someone with a vaccine or a microorganism to protect them from a disease. It can also refer to the introduction of an idea or a culture into a new environment. He was inoculated with the COVID-19 vaccine. He is now immune to the coronavirus. Holistic. An adjective used to describe an approach that considers the whole person or system, rather than just a part or an aspect. It can be applied to medicine, education, psychology, or ecology. She prefers holistic medicine to conventional medicine. She believes that the mind, body, and spirit are interconnected and affect each other. Homeopathy. A noun used to refer to a system of alternative medicine that treats diseases with very small doses of natural substances that would cause similar symptoms in healthy people. It is based on the principle of like cures like. He uses homeopathy to treat his allergies. He takes diluted extracts of pollen, dust, and animal hair. Wellness. A noun used to refer to the state of being healthy and happy in all aspects of life, such as physical, mental, emotional, and social. It can also refer to the activities or practices that promote wellness, such as exercise, meditation, or nutrition. She is very conscious about her wellness. She eats well, sleeps well, and works well. Infirmary. A noun used to refer to a place where sick or injured people are given medical care, especially in a school, a prison, or a military camp. It can also refer to a small hospital or clinic. He was taken to the infirmary after he fainted in the classroom. He had low blood sugar. Resilience. A noun used to refer to the ability to recover quickly from difficulties or challenges. It can also refer to the capacity to withstand or adapt to stress or change. She has a lot of resilience. She bounced back from her divorce and started a new life. Hygiene. A noun used to refer to the practice of keeping oneself and one's surroundings clean and healthy. It can also refer to the science of preventing diseases and promoting health. He has poor hygiene. He doesn't brush his teeth, wash his hands, or take a shower. Prophylactic. An adjective used to describe something that is intended to prevent or protect against a disease or a problem. It can also be used as a noun to refer to such a thing. She takes prophylactic measures to avoid getting sick. She wears a mask, sanitizes her hands, and avoids crowded places. Holter monitor. A noun used to refer to a device that records the electrical activity of the heart over a period of time, usually 24 to 48 hours. It is used to diagnose or monitor heart problems, such as arrhythmia, angina, or heart attack. He wore a Holter monitor to check his heart rate and rhythm.
Good job, everyone. You have successfully completed the hypnosis session. Now we are going to gradually wake you up. As you count backwards from 10 to 1, you will begin to feel more and more alert. 10. Your mind is becoming clearer. 9. You are starting to feel your body again. 8. You are feeling more focused. 7. Your body slowly wakes up. 6. Your muscles are becoming more energized. 5. You are feeling more and more like yourself. 4. You are feeling really refreshed and energized. 2. You are ready to return to your normal activities. 1. Open your eyes. You are feeling great. You are alert and focused. You are ready to take on the world.